What's good? Mike is in the building, and this video is brought to you by TechSpec. I am so happy that he joined me on this build, getting the bike together for the season, doing this new look. And if you're part of the motorcycling community, you know the brand TechSpec. We all ride them on our bikes, we all put them on. They're reusable, amazing quality, great precision. They make them to fit any specific bikes. You can send them precision measurements to the company and they'll cut you out. A good friend of mine, Tefobra, you might know him, he's a local vlogger here and rides a sweet Triumph Street Triple. He actually sent them his exact dimension and they cut it exactly to what he wants. You can go to techspec-usa.com and grab yours and let them know you're coming from the Clutch First channel. I'm actually really happy that he joined me on changing the look of the bike and being part of the channel, so thank you very much. And then we'll talk a little bit more about the product before we dive into installing it. It's super simple to do. Anyone can do this. You just require a few items that's going to do wonders for your bike. For example, it's going to improve your riding. You won't have to put as much of your weight on your wrists, your shoulders. You can grip the tank a lot better coming to a stop. It'll also give you a lot more control when you're canyon carving, going from side to side. And lastly, one thing that I pride myself on is keeping my bike very mint as much as I can. It's gonna protect the tank, your paint job, uphold your resale value because you won't have any dings, dents, or scuff on your tank. These are the TechSpec Gripster Tank Grip. So you guys can see the package here. You also have 3 components. You have 2 side panels, then you have the center strip. This is the tank snake skin stickers, of course. Here are your side panels, guys. You could see the ridges on here, the snake skin ridges. Gonna give you great grip and you'll be able to perform well depending on how aggressive you're riding. Let's take a look. And these are super easy for you to put on. Another thing that's very interesting about these, once you've made the purchase once, you can actually remove them and repurpose them. As long as you take them off carefully enough, you're not stuck in having to repurchase it over and over. Here's what you're gonna need, guys. Using alcohol, a microfiber cloth, masking tape, heat gun. Great to have in your garage. Anyway, I've been building mine up, so these are the tools you're gonna need. Let's get to it. With that alcohol. Gonna do a rough placement just so we can know where it goes. Pretty happy where that looks. Now I'm just going to align these right here just so I know where each part meets. There we go. Got some general marks on where it's gonna go, and now I'm gonna pull this off. So from what I've laid out, I know if I start here, just at the right area here, it should be the exact one to the bottom. We're gonna preheat it up real quick before actually slapping it on. Got our heat gun. And you guys can see the layer of glue that's here. If you peel it properly, you should be okay. There we go. You want to go all around, warm it up all around. Should be pretty easy. You know, a line here. Again, these are rough guides. Now that it's on, just gonna apply steady pressure all around. Make sure everything's stuck very well. Make sure those edges are on. They're not gonna peel later. Don't worry about the fingerprints, you can clean that up after. The goal here is to kind of get everything on properly. Here's a good tip, guys. What I did to kind of have a nice flow, I followed the tank lines all the way down to here. Again, this is kind of a case-by-case basis based on your bike and your style. I followed the lines, that way it looks very natural on the tank itself. You could have aligned a little bit more towards here if you wanted to, but it's up to you the way you sit, the way you ride. I think the whole new look came together really nicely. The bike has a fresh feel to it for the season. I think that's pretty cool, at least for me. If you have a Ducati Monster or any other bike you're looking to kind of put together, you want to bounce ideas and stuff, more than willing if you want to. Hit me in the comment section down below. Again, huge shout out to TechSpec USA for providing the tank grips. If you guys are looking to get any of those things for your bike, you could always hit all the links in the description down below. Let me know what you think of the bike. What do you think of the new look? Down below, man. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you like this look or if you like the Arctic white. I do enjoy doing this, so if you enjoy the videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. So thank you to everybody that's continuing watching the video, being part of the channel as well. I'll catch you in the next video, man, and remember, stay up, be humble, and be easy.